Okay, so let's continue with our drawing. This is another, or it could be a similar. There's a few similar ones for this project, bathrooms. So let's look at our section view. Okay. So what I want to do is connect my shower with my water closet. And let's go here and make sure we have PVC. System type is sanitary. It's a 2-inch. Let's go here, here. But I'm gonna need to make a transition or reducer here to go to a 3-inch because I wanna pick up my water closet and go down in this wall. It's going to be that wall, so let's go here. Let's go back and just kind of nudge it to the left. Okay, so that's that. And let's go back. Let's pick up our water closet. And it's just PVC, sanitary system. I'm going to leave that there. I don't want to connect it yet because I may have to move it. So let's go with this my kitchen sink here. Let's just take a look at. I need to coordinate my mechanical. So let's look at a linked file. Let's look at our HVAC and make sure that we're okay. That looks a little bit. Let's go back because it looks like I may have run into a snag. Where is it? Oh, I'm on the wrong section. So let's go back. Let's go back here. Let's go here. And now we can see. Oh, okay, so it's below. Good, 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 good. So everything's good. I need a P-trap here. Yeah, okay. So it looks like everything is good. That's the HVAC system. I'm gonna turn that off so I can see what I'm doing. I think that, let's turn it off. Let's go Revit links and turn that off. And what I'm gonna need to do now is synchronize. Okay. And let's look at our kitchen sink. Let's go here and here. So our kitchen sink is here. Let's draw this pipe. Okay, so where was I? Okay, so the kitchen sink, and I have a section that I need to get over to this. Somehow I need to make this connection, or maybe a connection here. Let's go back and do this. So make my connection in the section view, go back to my plan view and click here and make a 45. Maybe I should come out more. Okay, and then make my 45 here. I think that might work. Let's look at our 3D. Uh-oh, I have a beam there. Looks like, wow. So I'm gonna have to come down. I need to go over, come down. Which way? So it looks like I'm gonna need to offset, let's see, because this beam is there. So I'm gonna need to go on one side of this. Okay, so this is what happens, guys. This is what happens in the real world. You have to look at your drawing. I think, man, that's tough. That's a tough one. How is this? So let's go back and come over. Uh-oh, needs to be disconnected, that's fine. Let's do this. I think I'm gonna need to go to the up. Let's go back and delete. First, let's turn off the structure. And I'm gonna delete and delete these two. Now I'm gonna need to offset. I think let's offset. Let's go 90 and let's look at this. Let's get all of the kitchen sink offset. Okay, so here we are. So I'm in the wall, right? So I'm in the wall, so I can make that offset. Bop, 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 bop. I need to go on the other side. Let's bring this guy up some. And let's do this. And offset. I'm in the wall. Okay, I'm in the wall. So I can go over. Now that works. That works. That works. That works. Now, so once I'm on the other side, let's rotate in place here and go 90. And let's look at this. 'Cause I need to connect to this. I want to connect to this and have these guys connect to this also. But let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Can I go? Let's go here. Draw a pipe. Let's go back. Let's go here. I think I'm there. And go 45. Well, let's go out just a little bit. And go 45. Okay. Because I can grab that guy, but let's see what's going on. Where's that beam? Let's turn the beam back on. Or a structure link. I'm still. Okay. So do I go down? Maybe I can go under it. Then I gotta bring this guy down, which is okay. So I'll come here and go under. Where's the beam? Oh, there it is. There it is. Man. Do I have enough? Let's go here. See if I can see that beam. Section. Where is the beam? Oh, here. Okay, so we can go under. Is that it, or is this it? Let's turn the links on. Is that it? Wait a minute. What's on? Filter, Revit links. Let's turn off, and look at the structure. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's my beam. Yeah, you see it's highlighted here. Okay. So as you can see, that's the beam that I'm looking at. Okay. Okay, guys. let's go back. I want to go here. So that's the beam. So I'm gonna need to go under, like that. And then they can hang it like that, right? So everything is good here. Offset, go under. Let's go back. I want to see if I can get that in place and bring this guy. Let's just do a connection here. Let's see. I don't know if it's not in line with it. I can draw a detail line and just bring it down. Maybe here. That's good. Okay. So now let's do this. Bring it down to about right there. That's good. So I'm going to erase this and let's go back here. Nope, here. So where are we? Man, look how low that is. That has to be lower. Ba, 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 ba. And that is E4, E5, E4. Let's look at, I want to just measure this. 9, 10, okay. And it is level 5. Okay, structure, okay. So it has to be, I'm gonna bring this, that's why I didn't want to make this connection, but I can't have that, this pipe has to be less than 24 inches or 2 feet. So I can't bring it down. So I have to bring this up, which is not good. So, let's look at this. What's going on here? Okay, so that's on the other side. Now, I'm not too much worried about this. I think they call these web. Let's look. Trusses. K-series. Bar. K-series bar joist angle webs. Okay, and these are, wow. W-shaped columns. What are these? W-shaped 18 by 55. Okay, I think that's okay. I have a section box around here somewhere. Let's do S and section box. Okay. So now I can bring this down some just to look at my waist. Okay, yeah. Now, yeah, that can't be more than 2 feet. I'm gonna have to go back. I'm gonna have to go back. That's not gonna work. Just turn off the structure and yeah, that's okay. So that's that. Okay, so this is what happens, guys. Yeah. And the clock is ticking. I think that I'm gonna have to go around. Let's do this and rotate in place. Let's go here. Okay. I think I'm gonna go that way. Section. Okay. The structure is on. Let me make sure that everything is good. Structure's on. Okay, good. Come here. Let's go back. Here. I'm gonna go this way. and pick up. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened there. I don't know why they didn't slope it off. Okay. That's too far. And let's go this way. But I'm going to bring this down so that, and then there's a clean out back here. And let's do this. Nope. That's not going to work. Let's try this again. Here. And that. That's the sanitary. Let's go here. So we are looking at this guy. And there's a clean out there. Put an end cap. I think that let's see what happens now. HVAC, everything should be coordinated. Let's go here. Here. What else? Oops, that's not good. What's this? What's this? That should be pinned. Okay. Now, let's look at our new piping layout and make sure that it's not running into anything. Let's bring it in close. Okay, and turn on our HVAC. Everything is coordinated, right? Not the architecture. Okay, so we are going above this ductwork. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 of these. So I think I can turn those off. Nope, this one. And HVAC is off. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm gonna stop here. That was a lot. Let's check the structure. I think the structure is on. Yeah, okay, so I'm under it, which is good. Okay. So I think this was a lesson in coordination. Trying to get from point A to point B can be challenging. So, but if you just take your time and look at your other disciplines like your HVAC and your structure and just kind of work around it, you know, as best you can. If you have to, you can send the architect or the structure or email or however you guys coordinate it. But it looks like that might work, and maybe I can go from these 2 laboratories and connect here. But we'll see. Okay, guys, I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.